Hello and welcome to Altenew's Hue and You Video Hub. My name is Linda and today I'll show you how a simple but creative design and color palette can take your card to the next level. I'll use Water Hyacinth, Fresh Dye ink, and the Floral Halos stamp set to create a soft, almost blueprint-like image. With the jet black ink, I'm going to ink up the sentiment and place that using my stamp wheel. The rings that are included with this stamp set, I absolutely love. And what you want to do is place it down, pick it up with your stamp wheel or stamping platform, and ink it up with your black ink. And if you choose, gold would also work for this too. There are different rings included with this set. The next ring I'm going to use is the medium-sized double ring. I want to overlap them and create a almost Celtic look about the three rings. I'm going to grab my Micron 005 nib drawing pen and trace over all of the lines only within the rings themselves. Do not trace or go over the lines outside of those circles. Once you're finished, you're going to grab your Altenew artist markers in the color palettes that you absolutely adore. You want to make sure you want at least one lightest color and one darkest in the same color range. I started here with the light color. Using a light shade of yellow, I'm going in and coloring all of the petals. Again, only within the rings themselves. Once I get the light shade down, I'll come back in with the darkest shade and go into all the areas that would be indented or not much light is getting to it. Any of those, like you see the detail lines, you're going to go over those with your darker color ink. Here I've placed black in the center of my flower just to have some nice contrast. And now for that darker yellow, almost has an orange tint to it. I can put that down just at the center sections there of each petal and near the middle. And then once you've done that, you go right back in with your lightest shade again to blend the colors out. You're going to do this with any color that you're working on, whether it be colors for the leaves or the smaller flowers. Now for your rings. I'm using a gold marker and I'm going to shake it up really good, but this is a fine tip gold marker pen. And I'm going to go over all the rings, and there you see I've finished them just between the black lines. What's left is the slight blueprint look outside of those rings. I'm going to take a mechanical pencil and trace over all of these lines now. You're going for an illustrative look to your card. Once you get all those lines traced with the pencil, you're going to go back in with a blending tool to soften your edges. With your card front done, it's time to put your card together. Here I have a black mat cut 1/8 of an inch larger than the card front, which is also 1/8 of an inch smaller than your card base. With double stick tape on the back of that mat, I'm going to line up the bottom two corners and make sure they're equal distance before I roll the mat down and attach it to the base. Likewise, I'm going to do the same thing with the card front using foam tape this time, and I will line up the bottom 2 corners again, making sure they're equal distance before I roll down the front. And there it is, a finished card for that special someone. I hope this card inspired you to play and pull out those colors that you love so much. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave a comment, like this video, and follow all the talented designers at each hop stop. You'll find their links and giveaway details in the description below.